So I finally got the headlight switch from United Kingdom with the rear fog light switch button on it. Turn the car on. Turn park lights on if you want. You push this button down here. You gotta have headlights on for it to work. So you can't have park. Oh yeah, you can. I guess so. No, I guess you can't have park lights. I'm still trying to figure this out as I go with you guys. You can have the fog lights on, then you can have the rear fog lights on and off. It's kind of odd how you can have park lights on. Oh, maybe if your fog lights on, you can have your rear fogs turned on. So if your fog light's not on, you can't use your rear fogs. If you turn your fog lights on, then you can use your rear fog lights. That's something's interesting.